We will be learning how to add ads or advertisements in our blogs. Cool. So firstly, what we have to do is you just have to make sure that you have the access to Wix.com and the access to AdSense. Okay. So AdSense is basically Google AdSense. So once you have the access to this, then only you will be able to perform this task. Okay. So after you have received the access to both of this, like the Wix.com and the Google AdSense, then you will be seeing the homepage of this dashboard. So you just have to go to blogs, and inside the blogs, go to post. So once you are at this post, you will see all the published blogs that we have. So let's suppose I want to add the ads into this first article or first blog. So I'll just click on it, or you can press the edit button. Then it will open the blog editor. It will take a few seconds depending upon your internet and PC speed. So once it is open, so what we have to do is we have to place 4 advertisements in this blog. Okay. Right now, if you see, there is no advertisement placed here, and we just have to place them. So how do we do that? Simply place your cursor at any location where you want to add the advertisement. So let's suppose I want to add an advertisement here. So I will click on this plus button here, or you can click on this plus add button here as well. Both are the same. So let's click on here and then click on this Wix monetize with AdSense. Okay, so click on this. Now, what you will see is you will see this section here, which is blank, and you see the option of edit HTML. Now, to add the ad, you have to add the HTML code for that blog. How do we get the code? So you for that we have to switch to AdSense website. So this is the AdSense website which I have. But if in case this is the first time that you are visiting the AdSense website, so on just Google or on your web URL, just write AdSense, then automatically a website should appear here, adsense.google.com. If not, then you just type in this link, adsense.google.com, and it will ask you to sign in. So once you sign in, then you will be able to see the same thing here, which I am seeing right now. From these 3 options here, we have to click on buy ad unit. So let's click on that. Now here you can see there are 4 options here to create new ad unit. We will click on display ads. And here you can see there are 3 options here. So let's just this square be selected, and you have to give a name to your ad unit. So let's just give any random name right now. Uh, I have created previously name as 1 and 2, so I will just name it as 3. And here there are 2 options here, so we will just keep it selected as responsive, and then we will click on create. Okay, so here now you can see that we have the HTML code here. So we will just click on copy here, and it will show that the code has been copied, and then you have to go back to the blog post, and here click on edit HTML and paste the code back here, and then click on save. So doing this will add the advertisement in your blog. Okay, so now you have done this for one, and automatically it gets saved. And after that, what you have to do is you have to repeat this for total 4 ads in one blog. So let's find another place where we can add the blog. So what my idea is to add block after every topic. So let's suppose here this was the heading and this was the introduction. So I will add it. I will have added the advertisement here. Now there is another topic here which ends here. So I will just make a space here and click on this add button. Again, click on this fix monetize with AdSense. And we have to repeat the same process. So let's just go back to AdSense. Also, for the previous ad, make sure to click on this done button. Okay, so then it will show the blog number 3 has been created. And then what we have to do is for this advertisement, we have to create a new ad. So let's just do the same. I'll just name it as 4, make it as responsive, and click on create. Copy the code and done. And let's go back to the post, edit HTML, paste our code, and click on save. and let this get saved as well. It automatically saves, but if in case it doesn't save automatically in your case, then click on save manually. Now let's find another topic. Okay, I see here there is this topic is too big, so we can place ad in between this topic as well. Until unless the topic is very small or the section is very small, no need to place the ad in between that. But here you can see there are various steps as well. So we can place advertisement in between. Again, Wix monetize with AdSense, edit HTML, go back to ad, click on display ads. Let's just name it as 5, responsive, and click on create. Copy the code and click on done. Go back to the post and paste the code here and click on save. So right now we have added 3 advertisements here, and let's find another space to add. Yeah, here we can add another one. So let's just do the same process again. So I'm just showing you how to do this whole process for one complete blog, and you can just watch the whole video and try to perform the same for all the other blogs that you will be working on. Display ads, 6, create, copy, and click on done. Go back to post, edit HTML, and click on save. Now here we can add here after this troubleshooting tips. So right now we have added 4 advertisement, but I see there is more space or the blog is longer. So the longer the blog or longer the article is, we can add more advertisement in it. Minimum is 4 to 5 ads, but yeah, if the blog is longer, then I would recommend adding more advertisements. Copy, done, paste it and click on save. Scroll down. Yep. Now I think this is a good space to end it. Now here, if you see the last section has after the end of the blog as well, we can add another advertisement here. So let's just add that and let's just complete this blog. Wix monetize with AdSense. Go back to Google AdSense. Click on display ads. Name the blog. Name the advertisement and click on create. Copy and done. Go back to post and click on edit HTML and paste the code and click on save. So this will be it for this whole blog. And once it is saved, you can click on published as well. And now the last thing that we have to do is we have to go back to our spreadsheet that we were working on. So what I remember the name of the spreadsheet is data entry for blogs. So here this is the spreadsheet. Okay, now we have to find the title. So the title that we were working on was how to create a light intensity sensor in Tinkercad. So okay, this is the first one that we were working on. So what we have to do is we have to click on added advertisements, click on yes, and I will add a new column here, add count, I will delete this, and let's just see how many ads we were added. I think we have added around 6 ads, but I will just recheck it. One, this is two, this is three, okay, this is four, 5, and 6. Yeah, so we have added 6 advertisements here. So I will just write it 6. And I have made this, so let's not name it anything because these are all the names of the interns. And I will add the date as today's date, which is 0309/2024. Okay, so this is how we will perform this task. And yeah, we are done with this task and we can work on the next advertisement by adding next blog to add advertisement in that.